In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can add up fractions. And the example we're going to look at is 2/9 plus 3/5. Let's have a go at this on the next slide. We have to look for a denominator, a number that the 9 and 5 will divide into. And the answer is 45. So we place the 45 here, as you can see. 9 divided into 45 goes 5 times, and we multiply this 5 by the numerator, which is 2. 5 divided into 45 goes 9 times, and then we multiply this by 3, which is the numerator. We have to remember to put this plus sign here. Carrying on, we can see this is 5 times 2, so we write here 10, plus 9 times 3 is 27, and of course it's all divided by the 45. This will equal 10 plus 27, which is 37, and of course this will be divided by 45. Therefore, 2/9 plus 3/5 equals 37 45s.